Hi, I'm Mrs. C, and today we're going to be classifying. We're going to be using pictures of real things, and we're going to be using Venn diagrams to classify or to categorize those things and show how they are the same and how they are different from one another. Let's get started. In a Venn diagram, we start with one circle, and we'll label this circle toys. And then we have another circle, and this circle we'll label as spheres. And you can see that there's a space in the middle where they overlap. That area in the center is for things that are both toys and spheres. So I have labeled that as toys that are spheres. Let's look at some of the things that we can categorize today. We have an orange. It's not a toy, but it is shaped like a sphere, so we'll put it over here on our spheres side. We have a unicorn. That's a toy, but it's not shaped like a sphere. We have a train. It's a toy, but it's not shaped like a sphere. And here we have a beach ball. It is a toy and it's a sphere, so we'll put that in the middle where the circles overlap. Next we have our globe. It's a sphere, but it's not a toy. And then we have a dinosaur. It's a toy, but not a sphere. And finally we have a soccer ball. That is a toy and a sphere, so we'll put it in the middle. Now we've classified all of those objects. Let's try another example. Here we'll have our two circles for our Venn diagram, and we'll label our first circle as kids, and we'll label our second circle as people who are playing sports. And then in the middle where they overlap, that section will be for kids who are playing sports, because kids who are playing sports are both kids and playing sports. Let's look at some of our pictures that we can classify today. We have just a kid hanging out, not playing a sport. We have another kid not playing a sport. Here we have an adult who is playing a sport, but that adult is not a kid, so we'll put it in the side where it says playing sports. Our next picture is a picture of a little boy who is playing soccer, so that is a kid who is playing a sport. We'll put it in the middle where the circles overlap. Our next picture is a picture of a man playing basketball, so that will go here in our playing sports side. He's not a kid, so it can't go on the kid side. Our next picture shows a kid not playing a sport though. Our next picture shows an adult who is at her job. So we can't put it in the kid side because it's a picture of an adult. And we can't put it in the playing sports side because she's not playing sports. So this picture does not go in our Venn diagram. We'll keep it outside of our Venn diagram because this person does not fall into either of those categories. She's not a kid and she's not playing sports. Let's look at our final picture. Here's a picture of a little girl playing baseball. She is a kid and she is playing a sport, so she'll go in that center area where it shows both kids and playing sports. Now you've had an opportunity to look at how to use the Venn diagram using real things in real life. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.